What a beauty we have here, direct in of the last lady owner. It is gorgeous. Audi TT Black Edition TDI Quattro. Finished in Ibis White. Just over £2,000 worth of factory fitted options. It is a beauty. The last lady owner has owned it for approximately 5 years and totally cherished the vehicle. It is stunning. 170 brake horsepower, 2 litre TDI Quattro, 6-speed manual gearbox. Combined miles per gallon of 53.3 according to Audi. Whatever angle you look at it, absolutely stunning. A real classic. A very rare black edition. Great size boot. Split folding rear seats. Lovely and clean in there. Not been abused, not been damaged. Additional storage just under there. No spare wheel on these. Rear privacy glass. Beautiful bodywork, no dents, no scratches, no little dings anywhere. It's got these 7-spoke, twin-spoke alloy wheels, all in great condition. No damage to these. They really have been beautifully kept. Matching Michelin tyres all the way around. Headlight power washers. Let's take you right close up. As you can see, there's no major stone chips, no major scuffs, no little dings anywhere. It really is beautiful all the way around. And this is why we do the videos, to show you exactly how nice all our cars are. So there's nothing's left to chance. Again, the offside front wheel. Of course, 4-seater sports coupe. You've got the part leather and Alcantara sports trim. Again, all in great condition. Non-smoker's car. No nasty smells. All the trims are in great condition. No damage to those. No scuffs, no marks on those. Light controls on there. Flat bottom sport steering wheel, multifunction. And these great sport seats. They really do hug you in. Again, the condition of those. Absolutely beautiful. No undue wear. Nicely embossed with S-line on it. As you can see, the near side door trims. Upgraded satellite navigation system. Nice big clear screen. Mileage of just 47,000 miles. 47,318. Full service history. Stereo function there, voice control, and it's got the upgraded BOSE sound system, which sounds absolutely fabulous.
What she does, send her roses just because. If it's violin she loves, let them play.
Doesn't it sound beautiful? So the nice satellite navigation, all the buttons there just for the functionality. Clear map. Bluetooth phone. Media. The front screen drops down and you've got the SD cards to go behind it. Stereo system. Dual zone climate control. 6-speed manual gearbox. And if you want to just show off the spoiler, just press that little button and the spoiler comes up. It does come up automatically, I believe about 125 kilometers an hour. Cruise control. What a great example. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPR checked and clear, part exchange always welcome. You've got this nice touch on the door trim as well with the Alcantara trim. Nice storage there, and the buttons for the fuel on the boot. As I mentioned, the BOSE sound system. What a fabulous car, very rare, and that's with the spoiler up. We do these videos to show exactly how nice every single one of our car is. Nothing is left to chance. I'm giving you the confidence to buy or reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Click and reserve. If you fancy it 2 o'clock in the morning, click and reserve it. Remember our full money back guarantee. If you feel the car is not as described, we'll refund your deposit, no questions asked. Collect from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent, or we can arrange home delivery. Ask us for further details of how that works. Read about our raving fans reviews and understand why customers do come back to us time and time again over generations. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process with full transparency. No pressure sales, no additional admin fees. The price you see is the price you pay. Simple as that. If you need a personalised video of any aspects that we've missed, please give us a call. We'll happily send you a personalised video of the vehicle with any other close-ups that you need to see. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer, Stoke on Trent. We love to buy cars like this, so if you are selling a car similar to this, then please give us a call. Here to help, making buying and selling cars a simple hassle-free process. Phone number is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you give us a call 01782 822 700.